In this video, we are going to discuss about the female reproductive system. The female reproductive system includes uterus, fallopian tubules, vagina, and primary sex organ is mainly ovary. This ovary is the primary sex organ of the female reproductive system. This ovary is the small and located in the lower abdomen region or the pelvic region, and it is approximately 8 cm long. Above this ovary is present a mesovarium. This mesovarium connects ovary to the abdominal wall. Without falling, this mesovarium connects ovary to the abdominal wall. From this ovary, the egg is released and it is collected by this fallopian tubule, and from fallopian tubule it reaches to the womb. Above this ovary is present a fallopian tubule, and this complete structure is known as the fallopian tubule, and this fallopian tubule is about 10 to 15 cm long, and this fallopian tubule has different parts. The first part is the ampulla, and in this ampulla is actually again different parts are present. The broad shaped part is known as the infundibulum, and below this infundibulum attached to this infundibulum is a finger-like projection known as the fimbriae. This fimbriae collects this ovary and leads to the infundibulum, and infundibulum to the ampulla. In this ampulla is the stage of fertilization, and next this ampulla leads to the isthmus, long tube-like structure known as the isthmus. This isthmus leads to the fundus part. It is a small part, and this fundus part is attached to the muscular structure, which is inverted pear-shaped structure known as the womb or uterus. This fundus leads to the inverted pear-shaped uterus, and this uterus has the three layers. One is outer fibrous known as the perimetrium. Outer fibrous layer known as the perimetrium, and this provides strength to this womb. And next, middle highly muscular layer, and it is well developed and known as the myometrium. And next to this myometrium is the highly vascular structure, and it has the infoldings known as the endometrium. The upper bulged part of this womb or uterus is known as the fundic part, and below this fundic part is the body part of the womb, and below this body part is the cervix, and cervix leads to the vagina. This vagina has the inner surface which is rough and known as the vaginalis rough, and this vagina leads to the vaginal opening or vulva, and this vagina is the place where sperms from the males enters to the female, and it goes through here and it reaches near the ampulla, and where here the ovum collected by the fimbriae comes to this ampulla, and here the fertilization takes place and implantation takes place in this uterus.